Sometimes when you travel, you just want to shout from the rooftops, "Hey everybody, I'm a tourist, and I don't care." When that happens to you, make sure you're holding a mojito. Welcome back to COVID Cocktails. I am John Weisbarth, your host. Today on the show, the mojito. Now, is it the most annoying drink you can order? No. I would argue that a daiquiri might be a little bit more annoying, but the mojito is still called the no-hito by bartenders because it is a bit of a pain in the ass to make. It's also why they charge you a minimum of $12 for a mojito, which, I don't know, seems a little steep for 2 ounces of booze, but you don't have to worry about that any longer because after today's episode, you'll be making your own mojitos at home. Listen, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Tell a friend. Let's grow the community. You know, it's just me and a GoPro in my kitchen. It's a little lonely. Let's get a few more people here, shall we? Let's talk a little bit about the mojito. This one is a rum-based spirit. For us today, we're using the Cutwater 3 Sheets rum. It's a good clear rum. You basically want to go with a clear rum here, not a spiced rum. Though you could. Again, I don't really care for all the rules. I'm just telling you how I make it. Spice it up a little bit. Do that spiced rum. It is a lime. It's mint, which I didn't get out yet. Mint, muddled in there. And then it's usually sugar with soda water. I like using 7-Up. Gonna have to have your muddler though on hand today. All right, we got it. Pretty simple. Rum, lime, mint, and then 7-Up. It makes it a lot quicker. We're gonna start with the lime, actually. You know this trick that we do, right? Kind of roll it. So what I am gonna do with the lime is I am going to halve, that way. I'm gonna halve the lime, which is good because then I can make a lime wheel later. Oh, should I have done it the other way? I totally should have cut it the other way. So then I don't have that thing in there. Let's see. So I cut it lengthwise. Yeah, I want to go like this. Let's roll that guy. This will be my lime wheel one. So I just cut this one in half. Yes, that's how you want your lime wheel to look. What I need to do with this, I'm gonna go a quarter of that, and then I'm gonna cut these again in half. Those are gonna go in there in just a second. Next, I'm gonna take some mint. This is fresh mint, as you can see. It's also a little dirty, which is fine. I will wash that. Let's get some sprigs of this mint. I like a nice minty mojito. Gosh, you can just smell it. It smells so, so good. I'm just gonna wash this just real quick. We're gonna muddle it. You want to release some of the oil and some of that, I don't know, fragrance. You don't need to murder it, okay? Just give it a nice couple of twists. Good, that's good enough for me. Now I'm gonna throw, that's half a lime cut into 4 pieces. This I am gonna murder. I'm gonna get a lot of lime juice out of that. I'm gonna get some of that rind in there too. Now normally, if you were making this sort of the slow way, you would have had sugar in there as well. Now, in goes the rum. We're gonna go 2 ounces of rum. 1, yeah, flip it over. 2, you know what? I want 3 ounces of rum. I don't care. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some ice and we're gonna shake. Fill it right up. We're gonna shake this. Awesome. We're gonna do a dirty pour. We're not gonna strain it. We're gonna just throw it in just like this. The question is, the question is which glass? Do I go with the 2016 All-Star Game in San Diego? Or do I go with the Collins glass? Kind of looks cool. I feel like our show would say to do the pint glass. You know, I feel like that's the feeling of this. But my mom is an artist. She likes things to look pretty. I'm gonna go with this one. The danger here is I might not leave enough room for the 7-Up, which is gonna sweeten this thing up. So, all right, well, let's see here. So I'm just gonna dirty pour. I want all this stuff in there. Yeah. That's got 0 sweetener in it because I haven't put any carbonation or 7-Up in there. So, all right, well, look, that would look awesome, right? Oh. But we're gonna put it in there instead. And now, add the 7-Up. Kind of top it off. Where's my bar spoon? There it is. I can even give this a little stir if I want. Then let's do that cool little thing with the lime wheel. Okay, good. Cut there. I mean, here we go. And we made that pretty quick, right? You can see all the mint in there. You can see the lime in there. And the 7-Up is in there as well for the sweetener and for the carbonation. Let's give it a sip. Oh, that's so good. Oh, it's so good. It's awesome. Using the 7-Up, it makes it so it's not too sweet. This is so refreshing. So get up on that rooftop and just scream to the world that you're a tourist and you're not apologizing to anyone. Cheers. See you next time on COVID Cocktails. Delicious.
Make sure to ring that notification bell and smash that like button. See you next time.
What he said.